I'm going to show you how to get FLIX Vision back, and it's the premium version, so it should be totally fine, and it is, as I'll show you. So I'll open mine, and you'll look at the bottom, version 3.3.0, latest version. You will get this too. You can see I've just installed it. So if I were to play, say, Predator, I'm just picking out of the bunch, and hit play, the links should appear. No problem, but my Wi-Fi is quite slow right now, so if you give a second, it will pop up. English, Tamil, Hindu. But if it doesn't, you just go back out and hit play again, and you can see there's 4 now, they will pop up. There you go, as I said. Now, if I were to push English, obviously it's got to play the movie. So, remember, my Wi-Fi is a bit slow, so that's worrying me, because I hate my videos do this. I'm going to turn the volume down because I seem to get blocked off of YouTube. I lost my channel. But if you go back, if it doesn't play instantly, just pick the stream again and try it again, and it should load. There you go. If you never quit, and you can see perfectly fine, there is Predator Badlands. So Cinema HD is gone, and FLIX Vision to me is much better. So now I'll just let you see by proof that it is version 3.3.0. At the bottom you can see that. There you go. So there is the new version. Now I'm going to show you how to get it. Now you just seen the download page here. Now what you want to do is open Google. Now you're going to need a laptop or a phone or a tablet to continue the next steps if you want to add it on the firestick. But if you want to just have it on your tablet or phone and cast it to your firestick, that way you will never lose it. So think about that. Now you can see download FLIX Vision 3.3.0 mod version premium, no ads. Now you can see where it says 3.20, click the plus sign at the side, and that isn't 3.20 as I'll show you. Now hit download, and then it will start the download. There you go, it pops up, so there's the download. If it opens an advert, just close it, and then hit the download again, and it's starting. There you go. So you can see FLIX Vision 3.3.0 premium version. So I've already got it, but I'll still hit download again. It might say update instead of install. Which, no, it says install, so we'll just hit install. Even though I've got it, remember. But I did clone it, so I could end up with 2 copies here, which I'm betting is going to happen. I didn't think of that. So you can see. And there's the address in the search bar. I'll give you that now. And if this message pops up, ignore it, because when you clone it, it doesn't happen. So now we've got to copy the address, and I'll show you the address. If you look at the top, now this is where you pause your video and then write that down. https://lightapks.com/download/FLIX -vision -760923/1, and that is not the code to put in the downloader before you try it. It doesn't work like that. So you'd copy that in your browser and hit search, and then this page will pop up. So once you have the download, which I just did, now you can see I do have 2 FLIX Visions. Now work that out. So we've got the one that I just put there that's flashing silver. You can see a silver line going over it, which it just did 3 times, but now it's stopped. That's a new version, so if I open it, it will show me that's a new version with allowing it my files and whatnot. So now I've got 2 copies, which in this world is the best thing. So you can see 3.3 release notes, a new copy, and it will ask to allow, as I was just about to say, access to my photos. So there's a new version again. So you've seen me download it, and I do have it twice, as you can see there and there. So that copy I installed is what you'd get, and then you'd clone it to get the other copy, what I've got below, so I'll delete that copy. So I've still got it, because this copy's a clone, and it doesn't come up that message saying push to ignore or remove harmful app. And now I'm going to show you how to get it. Now you will need your phone or your tablet to use apps to fire next, and this is what you do. Before we go any further, you can see I do have FLIX Vision on my Fire Stick, and it works absolutely fine, but this is how you add it to your Fire Stick, and I'm going to show you how. Now if you're aware of apps to fire, which I did do a video on, but now my YouTube channel was taken away, under Hydrotech channel 1, I've got Hydrotech channel 2 and Hydrotech channel 3, which is this one. So you'd now open apps to fire and it will load all the apps on your Fire Stick, which there you can see. So we go to FLIX Vision. As you can see, there it is right there. So now we will install it. So we'll push on install. And if it doesn't work right away, just hit cancel, because it will do it the second time immediately. So FLIX Vision. I'm trying to look for a phone now. Second time, there you go. Very fast. When it gets to 99, I'll go to my. Oh, I won't go to my Fire Stick screen because it's already on it. So you can see I do have FLIX Vision, as I said. I should have deleted it and then put it back to prove that it does work, but it might actually put up 2 copies because I actually cloned it after and it just finished. So if another one pops up, no way, no way. So now I've got 2. This is just stupid. So if I open this one, it's got to tell me it's a new version. As you can see at the bottom, it already has, but it will pop up the logo right in the middle of the screen saying version 3.3 and ask for access to everything again. There you go. So I've got 2 copies again, and there you go. Allow access to my photos and whatnot, so I could just use this right off the bat. So that's 1 copy. I'll actually show you. I'll shut the other this copy and I'll go to the other one, so you can see now I've got 2 because I cloned the other one, so it's different. So this is the one I've been using, and it's the same, as you can see, version 3.3.0, but we will not get that sign pop up because this has already been done yesterday. So you can see, absolutely fine. I'll even play something. I've got a newer phone. In fact, where is now playing? That's what I meant to go. So if we go along, my internet isn't too good right now, so I'll just pick the housemates because it's there. So I'll show you once you hit play. Now the links will pop up or appear on this movie, like so. So now we would push the English copy, obviously, and then it will start to play. So now I'll just cancel that because you can see it works, and I didn't want my YouTube shut again for playing any content that I shouldn't have. So there you can see it does work by installing it through apps to fire, but you must install it on your tablet first and then slide it over to your Fire Stick, and then somehow you end up with 2 versions because that's a clone and that's the original. So I will now take out the original again and leave the clone version because that doesn't get any malware message, and it's not about malware, it's about getting free content. That's what the problem is, they don't like it. So there you go, FLIX Vision, totally fine. That's how you move it to your Fire Stick. And if you use the Android stick, all you have to do is type in the address that I showed you earlier in the video, the https:// light APK link, and you'll get right on the app, and it will install on the Android TV or Android TV stick first time just by typing the address. You don't have to do any of this apps to fire, only on the Fire Stick because it's getting absolutely ridiculous, but that's the way I did it. Now there it's on my tablet also, and I've just picked Predator Badlands and I'll just play it. I'll turn the volume down because that's what seems to be the trouble. So you'll see it playing here too, like so. So there you can see it works on the tablet, the phone, the Fire Stick, everything that you need to get on. But I would suggest putting it on your tablet and just casting it to the Fire Stick, and that way it won't be banned and you won't lose the app. And once, now I'm not going to bore you with this part, once you have downloaded the original, just open your app corner, and I'm not going to do it, remember, I'm just showing you so you know to keep it without getting any malware signs. You can see, look, cloned, so you just push it and then hit clone app, and then once it's cloned, delete the original version and keep the clone, and you'll not get the message pop up on your screen saying please uninstall a harmful app, or you hit to ignore it and then submit, and then you don't get the message again. But the next day you'll wake up and FLIX Vision will be gone. It'll be in your apps but inactive, so you need to uninstall it. You might not even know you've got it. If you were to check on your tablet or your phone, you'd probably see it's there in your apps in the settings. Like if you pulled down and went into the settings for your apps, you can see that it says it's been deactivated, or if it's not, so you can see there's my app. So if I go to FLIX Vision, it will say it's fine, and when I click on it right here at the top, it says uninstall or force stop. Now if you get it taken off your tablet or your phone, the force stop will not be there. It will only say uninstall. It won't let you launch it, open it, nothing. So be aware of that. But again, I'll just show you one last time that there is the link page. Even though you could pause the video, that is what the page you're looking for. And remember the address at the top, light APKS. And as I said, on the Android stick, you just need to type this in and you'll get it. .com, download FLIX Vision, blah blah, 7602, I can't remember the other digits, but I did show you earlier in the video. You just need to pause it and write it down, and then type it into your Android stick to get that way. And if you want the Fire Stick, I'm afraid to say you have to do it with the Apps to Fire logo. Apps to Fire app, that's the logo, and to join the Apps to Fire, it's so simple. I did do a video, but as I said, YouTube took it my whole channel away, so I had to appeal today. But there is how you get FLIX Vision, and it works on tablet, Fire Stick, Android TV, first time, no problem. And that's the updated version. Nobody could do it, and I've known for about a week, and I shared it last night, and people commented saying they couldn't do it even though the Apps to Fire. But people with the Android stick are commenting saying they're getting it first time, and you will get it first time. It's obviously the best app for movies. They get everything, FLIX Vision. So that is all from me, guys. Enjoy. Peace out.